So I'm going to start with this brown shade from the JUVIA'S palette, and I'm going to put that on my crease and also above the crease. And next I'm going to build up the colors like really very slowly. So I really love this palette. The shimmer shades are like awesome, super pigmented and doesn't have any fallout, but the matte shades are like not that pigmented, but still these are like super blendable. And next I'm going to take the TOPEZ Cosmetics glitter in the shade Cappuccino, and I'm going to put that all over my eyelid. And yes, that's all. I'm going to keep it like very simple. And next I'm going to create a very dramatic wing liner. So it can be a bit difficult to draw a wing liner on the top of glitter, so I will suggest you to use a non-waterproof like eyeliner. So you can use any eyeliner, like non-waterproof eyeliner, it's totally up to you. So I really forgot the name of this liner, and the name has been also removed from the bottle, so I'm really sorry I cannot say the name. And moving to my face, I'm going to start with primer. So today I'm going to use the Lakme Absolute Blur Primer, and then I'm going to apply this all over my face. So I really love this primer. It like smoothens your skin and also helps to hydrate your skin, which is really very good for winter, I guess. And next for foundation, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation, and I'm in the shade NC44. So I added few drops of oil in the foundation before applying this, because this foundation is like full coverage and a bit drying as well, and if you don't blend it properly it can like left few patches, so I really don't want that. So that's why I added few drops of oil so that I can blend it very properly, and it also gonna hydrate my skin. Next, moving to concealer, I'm going to use the Illegal Pro Concealer in the shade Pure Beige, and I'm going to put that underneath my eyes, on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, and you can also put it under the contour if you want. And after applying this, I'm going to blend it properly. And next, to set the foundation as well as the concealer, I'm going to use the PAC translucent powder, and I'm just going to apply this all over my face, not going to bake and all, because first of all it's winter, my skin is already feeling quite dry. I'm not going to take any kind of risk to make it more dry. And yes, next is, we really don't need to bake like our face in winter, but still if you want, you can like go ahead and do it. And next, for highlighting and contouring, I'm going to use the COLORPOP Topez. I really love the highlighter, like it's like super awesome, like everything in love with this shade. But the like contour, means the bronzer is like really light. It can be like very good for fair skin people, but it's really light for medium and obviously dark skin people. And for blush, I'm going to use a Lakme 95 blush in the shade Rose Crush, and I'm going to apply this on the apple of my cheeks. And next, I'm going to apply the highlighter, and I'm going to apply this on my highest point of my face, like on my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, and also a little bit on my forehead, and also on my cupid bow. And don't forget to use it on your brow bone as well as in your inner corner. Moving to my eyes again, so I'm going to apply the Lakme Iconic Kajal on my waterline, and I'm also going to outline my like eyes with the same kajal. And next, I'm going to finish up my eye makeup with some mascara, and today I'm going to use the Maybelline Falsies Volume Express Mascara, and I'm going to coat my upper lashes as well as my lower lashes with this. And next, for lipstick, I'm going to use the ColourPop Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Limbo. And last but not the least, I'm going to set everything with the Makeup Revolution setting spray. So yeah, that's all for today. I hope you really enjoyed this video. So this is the first makeup tutorial of 2018, and I'm also coming up with a lot of more like exciting videos, makeup tutorials, skincares, and also a lot of other videos. So please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button, and also comment in the comments section what do you think about this look. And yeah, that's all. See you in my next video. Bye.